Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I want to actually turn this into a teachable moment. There's a system called textbot.ai that I've been making videos about, showing people how to put $100 payments in their pocket and also put some automation into their business and talk about automation at its best. I'm sitting here watching How to Be a Player on HBO, and while I'm watching this, $100 payment popped into my Cash App. So I'm going to show you, not only did I get that $100 payment, but I'm going to show you, turn this into a teachable moment and show you, once you get that, how to confirm your payments in your textbot AI back office. So when you do receive a payment, you're going to, in your back office, you're going to have a notification. It says important. You have pending payments to confirm. Please click the button below to confirm those payments now. Now, what you want to do first is go over to your payment processor and just confirm that the payment is in your payment processor. So you have in textbot AI, you have the option to receive payment however you want, you know, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, you name it, and you will get a notification from that payment processor that money popped in your account. So I'm going to go over to my Cash App and actually show that a payment just popped in there. So let me go over there. Okay, so right here, it shows at 7:15, which you can see right here is 7:32. So just 15 minutes ago, someone paid me $100 for textbot. So I can confirm that this payment was sent to me in my payment processor. And I'm just going to click on check pending payments. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to actually pause this. Okay, so it's going to tell me the payment method. So, you know, if I didn't know ahead of time, like what payment processor they pay with, it'll tell me Cash App. I can go over to my Cash App and confirm the money is there. It's going to say total sent 100, and I'm just going to confirm. So, yep, I received this. I'm going to go ahead and hit receive. And now this person is all set to go with their system. So I have no other pending payments to process right now. So, okay, that's cool. So that's it. That's how you confirm the payments. All right. So I'm good with processing that pending payment. Now, you know, if you would like to join textbot AI, start making $100 instant payments in minutes, all you need to do is check out the link beneath this video. Go ahead and get started. I give some amazing bonuses. My bonuses are, I give you a getting started guide on how to get started the right way with textbot AI. I give you the ads that I use, right, to get out there and start, you know, making money with the tool and using the tool in your business. And I also give video. You get access to a video training course that I give, and you can use that to promote not only textbot AI, but if you are a network affiliate marketer, you can use it to promote anything online, which is a great value because this is how I've built a business online. Just from using the power of video. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.